Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install the iOS 16 beta developer beta on your iPhone device. So first I will show you that I'm currently running on iOS 15. So I'll go to my settings, general, about, and here you can see that software version 15.5. So once I've shown this, you have to go to your Safari browser. It doesn't work with your Chrome, so make sure to go to the Safari browser and click on this search icon and type in betaprofiles.com, and once you do that, just click on search. So once you're on this website, you can see over here, just scroll down until you see this iOS beta profile iOS 16.0 beta 1. Just click on install profile and you will get this pop-up. Just click on install anyway, and once you do that, it will show you this pop-up. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Just click on allow, and once you do that, just click on close and then go to your settings. And once you go to your settings, just go to the top and you will see this profile downloaded below your iCloud details. Just click on profile downloaded and you will see this pop up by itself, or else if it doesn't show you, just click on this iOS 16 beta profile. Just click on that and just click on install, and once you do that, it will ask you to input your password. So I will just enter my password now, and once it's done, just click on install, and once you do that, it will ask you to restart your device. Just click on restart and just wait for your device to get restart. And as you can see, our device has been restarted. I will just input my password, and once you do that, just go to your settings, then go to your general, then click on this software update icon, and once you do that, you can see that iOS 16 developer beta option available for you to download and install. So I'll click on download and install. So it'll ask you to input your password. Just input your passcode and it will start downloading. So I just kept my phone on update and put it on charge, and it got updated by itself. And you can see software update, your iPhone has been updated to iOS 16. So I'll just open it. I will input my password, and as you can see the interface, and I'll go to settings. Now I'll go to my general, then go to my about, and here you can see that we are running on iOS version 16. So this is it for this video. I'll meet you in the next one. SnebTech signing out.